Hi, welcome to Creative Friend of Mine. I'm Sarah and I'm so glad you're here. So today we are going to make our own laundry detergent. So I wanted to talk about one of the reasons that it was appealing to make my own laundry detergent, and I think one of the main reasons is that, I'm not working right now, we're on one income. We're trying to work on a couple of different ways to earn more income, but we're not quite there yet. And so if I can do anything to help us save money, I'm happy to do it. Anyway, a while ago, my husband sent me a video from another YouTube channel called Hopewell Heights with a gorgeous lady, hello, you're gorgeous, making DIY laundry detergent. I can't remember her name, I'll put it in the video. But anyway, and let's get into making our own laundry detergent. So we have Kirk's Gentle Castile soap, 100% premium coconut oil. So I've got this guy here. And then we have the good old borax, which you can use for lots and lots of things. I think borax is kind of up there with like Dawn. I don't know if you've ever looked up like uses of Dawn, which I also have in my house. But anyway, you can use so many things. Dawn is useful for so many things. I imagine borax is the same. The lovely lady that made the video said she uses this for lots of different things, but this is also in the laundry detergent. This is the household cleaner laundry booster. It's called super washing soda. Not the same as baking soda. She said in our video, it seems like it's worth. All right, so I'm gonna let this. Oh my God, that's a miracle. Normally I have to hunt for a lid, so that was a miracle. You guys just witnessed a miracle because it was actually in the drawer. I thought that was gonna be in. Woo! Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna let that heat up. While that's heating up, I am of course going to do this. I think she said it was about 1.5 of these guys. And of course it's really hard to get into because why wouldn't it be? Right? It just would. Alright. So there we go. So I'm gonna get 1.5. Don't really care about this counter, so it doesn't really matter to me. Alright. I'm not gonna pretend to be fancy for you guys. Just didn't work out for me. This is definitely happening, so we're just gonna go ahead and add our, it's boiling, I'm gonna add our soap. I guess I'm gonna stir. I guess I'm gonna whisk it? I don't know. When in doubt, whisk. Just made that up. Now can I find a whisk? Probably not, because I need one. If I did need one, whisks for days. But since I need one, no. Alright, this is like surprisingly easy. This is easier to grate than like cheese because it's harder, yes. Okay. The only thing is the ball's like keeping me from. It's okay. I'm just gonna do it. I used to hate grating cheese and doing all things, and now I'm like so used to it. But it's like one of those things as you get older, you're like, it's not that bad. It's alright. Alright, this is annoying me. I gotta switch to a plate. This is annoying me. Alright. These are my new plates from Detergent. This is Kirk's, and I don't know if, I know there's Star Trek fans out there, but anytime I hear the name Kirk, I think of Gilmore Girls with the goofy guy who always got in trouble and did weird, like, had weird logic about things. And he was on sort of the town. He wasn't an idiot, he was like, I don't even know. He wasn't quite the town weirdo either. He was just kind of like a Menace. Anyway, Gilmore Girls, watch it, love it, quote it. Just saying. So, how many of you out there have grated soap before? I have. I've grated soap. Right. Ow! Why? Oh, that is thoroughly unpleasant. Holy crap. That is very unpleasant. That has never happened to me while grating. Wow. I just went under the metal part, just caught my fingernail and basically went under my fingernail, and I think it's gonna start bleeding. I'll show you guys. I have weird thumbs also. Just be nice about it. I have weird thumbs. It looks like a big toe. I've known about it my whole life. It's called a club thumb. I can't think of a sexier name than a club thumb. But if you think about it, it's just, you can't get sexier than that name. And I think it's just bleeding underneath my nail. Fun. Sounds interesting. Heated up soap. Smells like I'm in the shower. But I'm not in the shower. Spit on my hands. Keep going. So it's kind of clumping in a lot of wax right now. I mean, it just kind of like is clumping. All the soap. All that finely grated soap where I sacrificed my thumb. Okay, so this is the last step. I had to look up, I had to get off from filming and look up the last step because I couldn't quite remember. So you fill the rest of the bucket with more hot water, and then you're going to let it sit for a day, and then you should be able to use it the next day, which is good because I have lots of laundry. So this should last us a long time. I don't know how long, but a long time. So it's really hot. It's going to sit. Luckily this does have a lid. So I don't know if we should put this bucket in our laundry room. She was suggesting a smaller container. But anyway, so there you have it. That is the homemade detergent. And she did say it's not gonna it's not gonna be like store-bought detergent. It's gonna be, liquidy, and you take a cup and kind of put it in there. I am kind of curious if any of it is settling on the bottom, so I may check that out tomorrow because it's really hot water and I don't want to dip my hand in it. So I may check if everything is if there's no settled ingredients on the bottom. But anyway, there you go. There is our DIY laundry detergent, and then I'm going to use it on a load of clothes and let you guys know, how well it works. And hopefully it'll be amazing. I'm going to use it on a load of clothes tomorrow because I think it has to sit for a day. And then I'll give you guys, an update on that and how it works and what it smells like and all the things. So, okay guys, so I'm not loving this. This is what it's looking like right now. So clearly everything's at the bottom and in the water. There's some stuff at the top. So I'm going to stir it up a little bit and see what happens. But I'm not excited that it looks like this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and being here. You're not done. This the macaroni is not done. I can tell when I stir it, it's not done. My reality is I can't make macaroni and cheese. That's obvious. I've been trying to figure out how to set up the shot or whatever for a hot minute. So welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to Creative Frame of Mind. Welcome to my kitchen. This is my kitchen. It is not perfectly clean. As you'll notice, there are things on the stove that shouldn't maybe be there, and that is life. I am so committed to grading this out for you guys. Because I'm gonna go over to your house and do the laundry because I have time for that now. True story.